Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will learn how to deal with problem and with conflict. So let's start. First of all, let's create another branch with the command git checkout -b, and after that the name of the branch. Let's name it bad branch or worst branch. worst that branch. Let's hit enter and we will directly switch to the worst branch. So in this worst branch, let's make some changes. For example, here in readme tree, let's change that to learn Git and GitHub for the worst branch. We will hit save, and after that we will commit it. We will commit it just using the express command git commit -am, and let's say commit for the worst branch. I name it worst branch because after we will learn how to delete a branch. That's why I name it on the worst branch. So now everything it's okay. Everything is committed and everything it's okay. Let's use git status to make sure. And yeah, everything is working fine. So now let's go back to the master branch with command git checkout, and after that the name of the branch, and pay attention to what will happen in this line. So master, we hit enter, and we see that we switch it to the master branch, but also the line went back before as it was in the master branch. So now we will see how to merge the both of them, the worst branch and the master branch, even if they have the same modification on the same update in the same line. Let's add something after adding the worst branch. Let's save it. So now we have been updating or modification in the same branch. So now let's commit that git commit, always express commit, and let's make update after what's that? Update after worst branch. Let's hit enter, and everything will work clean. Now let's try to merge those two branches. So git merge with worst branch. Let's hit enter and see it shows some some conflict and some error. It tells us that both branches they are trying to update or to modify the same line in the both. In here it's in head, that's mean in our master, in the master branch we found this line, and in the worst branch we found this this line. So how can we solve this problem? First of all, if we are in some company, we need to consult with the other developer, for example, who has created the other branch. For example, I'm developer number 1, I create this code, and developer number 2, he created this code. They are in both different branches, but when we try to merge and to make the whole application in a single application. It shows us and it gives us some problem like that. So which code we will get, first or the second? After speaking with the other developer, we need to take the decision. So for example, if we want to let this code stay, we just need to delete those and delete also this head. After that, save and add it and commit it. So let's commit git commit -am commit after merge. Let's hit enter. So this is all for this video. See you in the next one.